what you doing? Are you pretending to do what your baby brother's doing? Can you tell him a story? Or do you want to sing him a song? Be careful. There you go. Be gentle.
See?
Is that the twinkle twinkle?
See?
Twinkle twinkle.
There's a page.
Yeah, you turn the page. But that's Ring Around the Rosie. I don't think he can do Ring Around the Rosie yet. Can you? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes. What? Naked Hannah. We all fall down. Let me see you fall on your bottom. Boom. You're silly. Hannah, what's my name?
I like my voice.
Hannah, what's my name?
Miss Ashley.
No, what do you call me?
Miss Ashley.
Miss Ashley. No, my name's Mommy. What's your name? What's your name?
Damn, you're the boss.
Hannah. What's your name?
Hannah.
What's your brother's name?
Blessed.
Okay, he's getting sad. I should get him.